Hey, to boost bass on the SONY ULT Wear headphones, there's like two methods. The first one, you can for sure click on the Alt button while listening to the music or any media. When you click on it 2 times, you will actually enable the Alt second mode. But you can also do this and even more. You can increase the bass even more while grabbing the Sony headphones application on your phone, opening sound, then opening the equalizer. And from this, you can actually find, it was just right here, there's the bass boost preset. It looks like this. It's actually, take a look on the sliders, it's actually completely flat, but it actually brings us the Alt second. And if you try to manipulate these sliders while listening to your favorite music, you will increase this bass even more. So yeah, this is it for this video right now. Please subscribe and see you in the next one.